Making eggshell fertilizer is really easy. To make your eggshell fertilizer, take a bowl of clean dried eggshells and crunch them down. Fill a coffee grinder up and let it pulse several times until you have fine ground shells. I like to fill my grinder lid. See what works best for you. When using wet, fresh shells, run them under water, cleaning them thoroughly, and then let them dry on a towel. This could take about several hours before they're perfectly dry. When using hard-boiled eggshells, just give them a quick rinse and let them dry. This could take a couple hours. I let my eggshells pile up in a bowl, and when I'm ready to make my fertilizer and I have enough to do, then I just make everything all at once. They can keep well for months in a plastic bag or a jar with a nice seal on it. The ground up eggshells are a really great way to combat slugs, because slugs don't like moving over sharp pieces of shells. It's a really great source of calcium for your plants. A lack of calcium causes blossom rot. You can put eggshells directly onto your soil of your plants and then sprinkle water all around. And then you can use a little spoon or a little fork and just mix it into your soil. Or what you can do is you can make an eggshell tea. You'll take a half a cup of pulverized eggshells to about 1 gallon of water. Let it sit overnight. You can pour through a sieve or use the whole content, as the shells add plenty of potassium and calcium to your plants. So now I hope that I have inspired you to get out there and start making some eggshell fertilizer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.